And boom, second leg higher. Let's get to work. What a great bit of business, guys. And remember, you're just looking at this from that 2 sigma point of view. The 2 sigma guys must have caused that because the price was rattling. It was absolutely rattling away from that point. So if you never got the bottom edge, you absolutely got this one. Well, that's a buy trade at 97s. It's currently trading at 2s. This is a 1-minute chart. That's a pretty good bit of business, guys. You can't be missing those kind of bits of business, can you? No, absolutely not. What else happened here? Any ideas? Any ideas what happened here? Any ideas what happened actually at that candle? Any ideas what happened at the bottom edge here? Charlie D transition at the bottom edge. Charlie D transition in the candle. Take a look. At the bottom edge, there's your Charlie D transition. See it? But it wasn't just one Charlie D, it was 2 at exactly the same price. So you've got a Charlie D transition in here. There's your POC and there's your selling. Selling, selling, selling. So your Charlie D transition is going to be a buy trade from here. And then we got another candle that came into that same area and gave us another Charlie D transition. And then when we came into this 56 pullback, sell side delta, buy side candle, we got another Charlie D transition. There's all your sellers trapped in this area. And you're looking to buy away from that as a price point. Whoa, brilliant, right? Absolutely brilliant. 95 trades 3s. $400 profit on the reversal. That is absolutely trading like a boss right there. Let's take a look at it from a MACD point of view. From a MACD point of view, does anybody see a late to the sell? Buy reversal. Does anybody see a late to the sell buy reversal? Yes or no? Yeah, 1 person. I mean, as well, 2 people. A late to the party buy reversal. There it is right there, isn't it? So we've got the drive. That's part of that drive there. We then see this coming up and touching that and then dropping back down. There's your late to the party buy reversal trade right there, isn't it? That's where I bought it. That's where the Charlie D candle took place. See the tie-in? It's exactly where the Charlie D candle took place. Does anybody see an early to the buy trade? Anybody see an early to the buy trade? These are now in a buy phase, correct? Is that early to the buy trade here? Is that an early to the buy phase there? Sure. And what do we get there? A Charlie D transition. And what do? We made money. So a Charlie D transition here, where we had a late to the sell buy reversal, and a Charlie D transition here, where we had an early to the buy party trade into a 56 pullback sell, 56 pullback buy trade, sorry. When you look at that, you say to yourself, wow, okay, that's just getting out of control. How can it be that good? How can it be that obvious to see a 2 sigma sell like this in that area? And it also has a Charlie D transition, and it also has a bloody MACD set up attached to it. Unbelievable. And yet it's right there. Everybody can see the same stuff as I can see. You might be saying, but why would this not be a buy trade here? Why was that not a buy trade? There's no value in it. Why would you buy it when there's no value in it, right? The value is dropping against it. The value, the inflation is rising against it. This is not a buy trade. That'd be more likely to be a sell trade. And that's why this is a buy trade, because all the lines stack up. All the stories, the entire narrative stacks up. When we look at this two setups here, two trade setups, they both appear on the MACD. They both appear in terms of value. They both appear in terms of Charlie D transitions. So it's not about one of the aspects, is it? It's about recognizing that this is what the reality is. This is the reality of trading. Talking of the reality of trading, we're going to cover something that Mike's going to enjoy. It can be a bit grumpy at times when we talk about things like MACDs and all that kind of stuff. But, you know, you got to, you know, it's one of those things. But we're going to be talking about one of Mike's favorite trade indicators. You hear him talking about all the time, VWAP. So this afternoon, we're going to talk a little bit about VWAP. And we're going to build the VWAP storyline around this type of narrative as well. Okay, so we're going to build in the VWAP storyline in line with the rest of these other storylines that we've built. We'll do that in Classroom this afternoon.